guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Travel Her here with another video. In this video, I'm just going to be talking all about how I take my pictures while I'm solo traveling. I want to thank Pivo for sending me these two wonderful products. I have bought from them before without being sponsored. And if you're interested in any of these products, make sure you guys click the link in the description box so you can learn and see more about them. The first product that was sent to me was the Pivo Lite, which is purple. The Pivo Lite, it comes in so many different colors. They have pink, blue, white, black, I believe. And I decided to get purple just because. So about this product, it has auto tracking. It has 360-degree rotation. First of all, the 360-degree rotation is top tier. You have to set up the auto tracking through the app, and what it does is it follows you. Video calling, you can mainstream live, it auto zooms, and has 12 quick create modes. This is the gadget, so you turn it on right here, you turn it off. You can also charge it. The charger piece goes right here. Inside the box, you get a charging cable. This pod, unfortunately, doesn't come with a remote, but I have a pod that I bought myself from them, which I fell in love with, and it has a remote, so I can use that for this pod. So yeah, and then it has a manual inside that you can like literally follow. Honestly, my favorite thing about this product or gadget is that it rotates. I haven't found anything like that before. It was my first time seeing it, and I actually found it on Instagram, which is kind of funny because I always see these ads. Every little ad that pops up that has something to do with travel, like I'm always looking into it, and I really figured that this, pod would actually help me because one, I am tired of asking people to take my pictures and videos and they don't come out correctly. So not only can you record yourself and it follows you, you can take pictures and it also will follow you. As I've said before, this pod does not come with a remote, but there are many other pods that have remotes that come with it. So you can check that out as well on their website. The link is in my bio, and you can also purchase it through my link. And whoever does, thank you, I appreciate it. The next item I have is a tripod. The box is all beat up because I was just being extra. So let me open it for you and show you guys. These two paired together, the tripod and the pod, work out perfectly. So this is the tripod, and as you can see, I'm trying to figure out how to set this up. But these are the three legs. So I'm actually moving this up to the first level here, so when it stands up it won't fall, it won't crash down. I have a lot of tripods, so I know that this is durable. The other tripods I have to bury them under the stand. Honestly, they're not bad, but if you want to have like something that's gonna hold your phone up with the pod and it not fly away because the wind's blowing it, you need to get one of these. It has rubber at the bottom. Like, this is so durable. I think this is gonna be my favorite tripod ever because I've listen, when I tell you I have a lot of tripods, I have a lot. The wind is not taking this baby down. It's adjustable. You can put it at any length. I'm tall, so I'm gonna need all three, you know what I mean? So I'll just hook it like this. I'm just gonna show you guys how to hook the Pivo pod on here. You're just gonna take this pod and then you're gonna screw it on like so. Easy, easy, easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. In this little area right here, you put your cell phone. So you can put it diagonally, you can put it horizontally, and then it also has this. It's kind of like turns to fit your phone in this little spot here that I was telling you about. Yeah, so the knob literally will tighten your phone in the pod so that it doesn't fall or slip out. So once you buy the pod, you're gonna have to turn it on and you're gonna have to download the app, and you do everything through the app. Okay guys, so once you're done downloading the app, you want to just connect your Pivo to it. My Pivo was dead, so I just opened up my gallery and I'm showing you guys what pictures and videos I took with my Pivo. And you have the option of using your remote if you want to use it.
which I did. If you don't, you got to set it up to follow you itself. I'm also going to put in a picture that I took on my Pivo, and it's on my Instagram, so follow me if you're not already, and go like it.
Pictures that I took on here. I brought my Pivo with me when I was in the Bahamas and when I was in St. Martin, and I took pictures on it. I'm gonna post some pictures in here. They are edited, but listen, the quality is still amazing. I didn't have no trouble with the app at all. It literally takes pictures and videos of whatever I decide to take pictures and videos of. And like I said, my favorite thing is that it rotates. It rotates. I wish I could show you guys, but it's not charged. But yeah, this is super cool. Very durable. Not flimsy at all. So I give this product a good 9 out of 10. The only thing I wish they had that came with this was a remote, but as I've said before, there are other pods that have remotes that come with it. I definitely love this product. If I could have bought a million pods or all of their products, I would. Definitely good for your money. So definitely check them out and let them know I sent you if you ever reach out to them about the product. But I appreciate you guys. When you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.